Hi everyone, my name is Bente, and in January a few students and people from the BMS lab started with the development of a new driving simulator. Sarah, and other psychology student, and I started to help with this development, and we did our own research experiments. In this video we will tell you something about our experiments and the experiences with the development of the new driving simulator.
My name is Sarah and I'm 21 years old. Currently, I'm studying psychology and finishing the Master Human Factors and Engineering Psychology. As a part of my master thesis, I did research on the use of new digital mirror positions in cars under the supervision of Dr. Bush. This in order to see if new positions of the digital mirrors would be a good replacement for traditional reflective mirror positions. To be able to safely test these matters and collect data, we needed a driving simulation. This is how I got involved in the development of the simulation. With this tool we were able to test different mirror positions by letting participants perform tasks with them. Due to the corona measures, we had to stop the data collection early. Now my job is to leave a legacy for future researchers to enable them to continue doing research on this topic. This by creating and testing manuals for the simulation and using the results we were able to obtain to formulate a full experiment. During the development phase, I experienced how it was to work in a multidisciplinary team, and for once to step outside the psychologist's role and learn how to deal with technical hurdles. It was a great experience to be part of this team.
Because this was done together, this work, I learned a lot from the development team, which I could adapt to my work of the experiment. It was really nice to work together with psychologists and programmers to create one product like a driving simulator. I think also the goal of this team was to see how much a psychology student can learn, with having in mind that in the future psychology students can adapt the variables of the system by themselves, and to be able to create their own experiments. And of course this is really valuable for learning how to do research and also learn about the practical matters. In general, my research was about two different themes or traffic situations. One is speed changes and one road construction zones. For every theme or traffic situations, I created 3 different notification screens which ranged from information density. The first screen contained, for example, the most basic information a driver needs. And the third information screen contained more complex information about, for example, an alternative route a driver should take. To see how much information a driver is able to process, you can see at which point the driver is not able to process this information anymore. So when the driver gets overloaded. At this point, you can see which information is most important to the driver and which information falls back. With this, you can advise the road managers which information is most important to the driver, so which data should be collected from the traffic.